for this Ab2L type, we can take example lead chloride, PbCl2. Lead chloride is an example. Central atom lead, 2 chlorine atoms joined with lead by covalent bond. So there is a lone pair of electron. Okay. So around central atom there are 3 pair of electron, 1 lone pair as well as 2 bonded pair of electron. So expected geometry is trigonal planar, but due to the presence of lone pair, the geometry is changed as bent. So this is the main concept in VSEPR theory. So when we have 3 electron pairs around central atom, what will be the expected geometry? Trigonal planar. But due to the presence of lone pair, there will be lone pair bond pair repulsion. So due to this lone pair bond pair repulsion, the expected geometry trigonal planar is changed into bent structure or V-shaped structure. Okay. So this is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Due to the electron pair repulsions, expected geometry will be distorted. So we get a distorted geometry. So this is bent or V-shaped. So with this second type of molecule, that means a molecule containing 3 electron pairs around central atom is over. Next. Four. Around central atom, if you have 4 electron pairs, what will be the expected geometry? Tetrahedral is the expected geometry. So first type, all the 4 electron pairs can be present in the form of bonded pair. So formula AB4. So central atom A, 4 combining atoms. So expected geometry tetrahedral. So this is tetrahedral geometry. Bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. So the simple example is, as we discussed, methane. Central atom will be carbon, combining atoms will be hydrogen. So this is a molecule containing 4 electron pairs around central atom. All the 4 electrons present as bonded pair. No lone pair of electron. Next. Another possibility, out of 4 electron pairs, 3 pairs can be present in the form of bonded pair, 1 can be present in the form of lone pair. So formula will be rearranged as AB3L. So 3 combining atoms and 1 lone pair of electrons. Central atom has only 1 lone pair of electron, and the remaining 3 pair of electron present as bonded pair of electron. So for 4 electron pairs around the central atom, the expected geometry is tetrahedral, but central atom has a lone pair of electron. So according to VSEPR theory, the lone pair of electron will repel 3 bond pair of electrons. So due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, the geometry is distorted. So this distorted geometry is called pyramidal structure. Okay. So the structure is called pyramidal structure. So tetrahedral is not achieved. So tetrahedral is distorted as pyramidal structure. So simple example is ammonia. You can take ammonia as an example. The central atom will be nitrogen. 3 hydrogen atoms will be bonded with ammonia. So 3 hydrogen atoms will be bonded with nitrogen, and nitrogen has a lone pair of electron. So this is having a pyramidal structure. Next. Third type, out of 4 electron pairs, 2 may be bond pair, 2 may be lone pair. So formula will be AB2L2. Number of combining atoms 2. Number of lone pair of electrons on central atom 2. So two atoms will be bonded with central atom by a covalent bond. Central atom has two lone pair of electron. So example is water molecule. We'll take water as an example. Central atom will be oxygen. Two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded with oxygen. Oxygen has two lone pair of electron. So in this case, what is the expected geometry? Tetrahedral. Due to 4 electron pairs, expected geometry tetrahedral. But here 2 type of repulsions are available. Totally 3. Lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, bond pair repulsion. So due to all these type of repulsions, the structure is deserted from tetrahedral. The structure will be bent or V-shaped. So it becomes bent or V-shaped. So with this type is over. Around central atom, 4 electron pairs present. This will be over. Next, 5. Around central atom in a covalent molecule, if 5 electron pairs present, first possibility, all the 5 electron pairs may be present in the form of bonded pair. So formula can be written as AB5. Okay. So for 5 electron pairs around central atom in a molecule, what will be the expected geometry? This is called a trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. So all the 5 electron pairs present as bonded pair. We can take example. Phosphorus pentachloride as an example, PCl5. Phosphorus will be the central atom. Five chlorine atoms are covalently bonded with central atom phosphorus. So here 2 type of angle will be there. So between these 2 angle between the covalent bonds in a plane 120. So here 90. 2 type of angle will be there. So the geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Next, what is another possibility? Out of 5 electron pairs, 4 may be present as bonded pair, 1 may be present as lone pair of electron. So formula is changed as AB4L. 1 lone pair of electron. Okay. So this is called seesaw structure. The structure is called seesaw structure. Out of 5 pair of electrons, 4 pair of electrons present as bonded pair, only 1 lone pair of electron on central atom. So the structure is called seesaw structure. Example, sulfur tetrafluoride. Sulfur will be the central atom. 4 fluorine atoms covalently bonded with sulfur, and sulfur has a lone pair of electron. So this is called seesaw structure. So what is the expected geometry? Trigonal bipyramidal, but due to repulsion between the lone pair bond pair, the structure is deserted as seesaw structure. The third possibility, out of 5 electron pairs, 3 may be bonded pair, 2 may be lone pair. So formula will be changed as AB3L2. Okay. So central atom A, combining atoms 3. On central atom, there will be 2 lone pair of electron. So this is called T-shaped. Shape of the molecule is T-shaped. Okay? T-shaped molecule. So expected geometry for 5 electron pairs, trigonal bipyramidal, but due to repulsions, lone pair, bond pair, then bond pair. So due to the repulsion, the geometry is deserted from trigonal bipyramidal into T-shaped. So example is bromine trifluoride. Bromine will be the central atom. Combining atoms, fluorine. So 3 combining atoms. So bromine trifluoride. This is an example for interhalogen compound. Next, another possibility. 2 electron pairs can be present as bonded pair. 3 electrons can be present as lone pair. So formula is rearranged as Ab2L3. Central atom A, combining atoms 2 B atoms. So on central atom 3 lone pair of electron. So geometry is linear. So for 5 pair of electron, expected geometry trigonal bipyramidal due to the presence of lone pair of electrons. So lone pair, bond pair repulsion is making the geometry as linear one, right? So with this over, molecule in which central atom has 5 electrons over. Next, molecules in which 6 electron pairs present around the central atom. So first possibility, 6 electrons can be present in the form of bond pair of electrons. So formula will be Ab6. So this is called octahedral. The geometry is called octahedral. So around central atom there are 6 pair of electron. They are present in the form of bonded pair of electron. So this is called octahedral. Example is sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur will be in the center place, central atom, remaining 6 fluorine. Okay. Next, out of 6 electrons, the possibility is 5 pair of electron can be present in the form of bonded pair, 1 can be present in the form of lone pair. The formula will be rearranged as Ab5L. Central atom A, so around central atom 6 electron pairs, 5 electron pairs present as bonded pair, 1 as a lone pair. So this is called square pyramidal. Structure is called square pyramidal. Okay. Bromine tetrafluoride can be taken, BrF5. So bromine pentafluoride, BrF5. This is also an interhalogen compound. Bromine pentafluoride is an example for this one. So totally 6 electron pairs, 5 bonded pair, 1 lone pair. So expected geometry octahedral. Due to lone pair bond pair repulsions, the geometry is distorted into square pyramidal. Next, out of 6 electron pairs, 4 may be bond pair, 2 may be lone pair. This is called a square planar. Okay. The geometry is square planar. Out of 6 electron pairs, 4 present as bond pair, 2 electron pairs present as lone pair of electrons. So this is called a square planar. Due to lone pair bond pair repulsions, octahedral geometry is distorted into like this. So example, xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon will be the central atom and 4 fluorine atoms will be bonded with the xenon by a covalent bond. Next, central atom has 7 electron pairs. So if all these 7 electron pairs present in the form of bonded pair, the formula is written as AB7. So this is called pentagonal bipyramidal. Example IF7. It's called iodine heptafluoride, right? So iodine heptafluoride is an example for this type of compound. So totally 7 electron pairs present in the form of bonded pair of electron. So expected geometry pentagonal bipyramidal. So we have a Lewis structure, that is a theoretical concept. Next, for each molecule based on number of electron pairs around central atom, there is a geometry like linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedral, then trigonal bipyramidal, octahedral, pentagonal bipyramidal. So these are the basic structures. So instead of an atom, if a lone pair of electron present, according to VSEPR theory, there will be repulsion between the electrons. Thereby the geometry will be distorted. Based on number of lone pair of electron, we can easily predict the geometry. Okay. So this is called VSEPR theory. Next we move into the another theory, valence bond theory, so that we will teach tomorrow. Okay, thank you.